welcome. Hey guys, welcome to my very echoey apartment tour. It's going to be really echoey because there's no furniture here, but let's get started. All right, so let's start with the kitchen. Right on to the left side, we have here a beautiful white, not marble, I don't know what material this is, but it's a nice countertop, the faucet right here, my favorite part, Era's favorite part, the dishwasher, we finally have one. There's a bunch, there's a lot of cabinet space, which I love. Drawers. And then on this side we have the fridge. I feel like everything is pretty new. The stove as well, and the microwave. It's very new. And more cabinets, which is great, like all over. What else? On this side has to be, honestly, I feel like it's such a luxury. My first time having a washer and dryer. Honestly, what a blessing. Cannot believe it. This is the first closet, which is like a coat closet. I could have sworn it was a linen closet, but it's pretty spacious. And then we have here the first bathroom. It's a really full, big bathroom, bigger than the one that we have now, which is great. It's a tub. And then the living room. All right, so as you can tell, the long windows. The view is to die for, and I saw a couple shots of the winter, which is really nice. But yeah, floor to ceiling windows. Super, super excited. And then this is the first bedroom, which would be my office, our office. And then Eric's closet right here. He hates me saying it, but this is his closet because it's pretty spacious, so I don't know why he's complaining. All right, and then we have the master bedroom right here. And here, the windows are just honestly the best. I love this hall. I don't know why, but I just love it. The neighbors have little plants, which I cannot wait to fill this apartment with plants. And as you can tell, they have a pool here, which is one of our amenities. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, and right here we have my very own walk-in closet. It's actually really huge. I feel like you can't tell, but it's huge. And then right here, it's the second bathroom. It's a normal bathroom, it's a shower. The other one has a tub. much the empty apartment tour. I really hope you guys like it as much as I do. I'm so obsessed. The lighting here is just, oh my gosh. I cannot believe that this is our apartment. Are you happy?
Very excited.